So my wife has been on my case a little bit about not cutting the grass, so this lawnmower could not have arrived at a better time. We're going to go for this thick stuff right there. Now we're going to adjust it to the lowest setting because I don't like to cut the grass too often. And we're going to go and try and go through that thick stuff right over there. I'll do this with the camera in my hand here. A bit low. It's working hard. Go, baby, go! We're still breaking around a little bit. Let's raise the height. It's going pretty good. Hold on, my helper's back. Let's raise the height a little bit because this thing is it's working pretty hard and looks like this is basically golf course grass right now. You can't get better than that. You get a close up of that grass. People pay a lot of money for that at a golf course, and this lawnmower is making short work of that. So that was number one. I'm going to put it at number 3 just to see what this looks like here. Of course, this obviously means that the grass will be at uneven heights, but don't forget we're doing it for science. That's that never oil change system kicking in. That little cup of blue. We're going to try to I'm just kidding. Go past that. Get surprised with that. I mean, this is as good as you'd ever get in a golf course, easily. All right, that's enough road testing for now. We can go try the high velocity side discharge chute as soon as we're back.